Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to explain more about that board details, what is inside these boxes. If you got these boxes or purchase these boxes, so what will be the inside these boxes, I am going to explain you. So I have got that another advanced version. The board version is like RA6M3, and one is the graphic board available on the Renesas website, that is RA6M3G, in which you can also get on the same board you can also get this LCD. So I have that board. So this board is same, but only the difference is that this LCD glasses you are going to get in this new board. So let us come to the topic. What is the inside board? So here is the board. So if you open this board, this is I think my board is older one. So if you get new board, you will get a cable that will be help to plug in and debug the boards. You will get this LCD graphics display. I want to say you, and this is the main board we are going to work. You can see same RA6M3 board, and this Ethernet cable you will also get inside the boxes. One manual, a short manual or guidance you can say here, you can get, but all these information are also available on website. So I'm going to show you how you can find those information on website related to it. So you can see if you have this graphic board, then you can get from here, or if you have that simple board, then you can get information from here. So if you just type EK-RA6M3, so you will get this this type of links, or just click on that links. So in terms of documentation, in terms of user material, in terms of user guidance, you can see everything is available on the website. If you want more information or deep information, then you can reach out this website. So you can get these things here. Design and development related things are available here. Here is the FSP version. Here is some sample bundle codes you can get here. What is the Flash programmer tool, SEGGER tool. So everything if you want to connect, you can get here. Here is some Renesas video is also available. You can go there and understand the deep things. So documentation, if you can see, everything is available on the website. So there will be no hurdle, there will be no any barrier to understand these devices. So let us start the practical things. So in next video I am going to boot up or power on that video devices or this board, and we will see what will happen. Maybe in next video I'm going to also add something about how you can program this board. So let us start this interesting series with the practical from the next video. So thanks for the watching video. Stay tuned with me, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon so that you can get the video at earliest. Thank you so much for watching.